Good evening, dear brothers and sisters. I opened this forum with the aim of teaching Lingala. I have seen how many people really want to learn this language in Facebook forums, in WhatsApp forums, but some of them are not giving satisfactory answers. Or maybe it is not a one-on-one thing sometimes. It takes time to be answered. That's the reason why I opened this, in order to be in touch with you guys. So whoever wants to learn should feel free to ask any question, talk about anything, and I'll create a lesson to teach you until you get to understand what the word you have been suffering to know what it means. So this being the first lesson, we're going to learn about pronouns. Like any other language, Lingala also has pronouns, right? Like the way you're going to see here. Lingala is also a language like any other language with pronouns. And what are the pronouns for Lingala? But before we go far, we should learn what a pronoun is first. What is a pronoun? That's the first thing we should know first before we engage in anything. A pronoun is a word that is used to represent a noun. Like here, what is a pronoun? It is said here, a pronoun is defined as a word or a phrase that is used as a substitution for a noun or a noun phrase, which is known as a pronoun's antecedent. Pronouns are short words and can do everything that nouns can do and are one of the building blocks of a sentence. Using pronouns helps the flow of a sentence and makes them more interesting. In pronouns in Lingala, we have ngai, the first person singular, which means I. Yo. Yo means you in English. That's a second person singular. Yango. Yango means it. It's normally used for non-living things. And then we have he or she. In Lingala, it's known as ye. They or them. You use bango in Lingala. We. This is now in plural. If you are in a group, like me, for instance, if I say that I'm in a group now, myself and my group, we call ourselves we in Biso in Lingala. Then to ask who is none, just like Swahili. Him or her, still ye. Then we have them. Them in Lingala is bango. You will find that whoever is mutunyoso in Lingala, also anyone is mutunyoso. Something is a local, then nobody is mutute. So whoever and anyone in Lingala is mutunyoso. Good. Then we have Lingala pronouns in singular. Ngai, which means me or I. Yo, which means you. Ye, which means him or her. Then we have Yango, which means it's used for non-living things. Then we have Lingala pronouns in plural. Lingala pronouns in plural, just like I said before, biso, us. We are in a group. A group that is using first biso. That means we or us. Then bino. That's you. You in a group. You in a group. Bango. Them. Then yango is for a word for it. It applies on living things. Thank you very much. That's the end of our short lesson. We are going to continue malembe, slowly, as we continue learning more and more. This is the first lesson, and I think I'm going to get some reactions from you guys, and I'll act upon it. You are free, you are welcome. Feel free to ask any question if you feel you are left out somewhere. Feel free to ask. I'm always here to listen, and I'll be there for you. Thank you very much for your time.